So what is the fastest way to place four divs next to each other in CSS? Well, right here you see I have a div, all right, and I have given it a class name. So I named it wrapper because I have placed all of my item divs inside of that one. And you see I have four divs here, and I have changed the background color just so you'll see what's going on there. And right here, you see I have width applied to the first one. So that's why you see it's like this. But we want them to be like 4 columns. So to do that, all we have to do is we have to select the wrapper. So I'm going to type in dot wrapper. Because you see I have given it, so I have a div here, and I have given it the class of wrapper. So inside of that div, I have 4 divs, all right? And these are the items. So I call them item 1, 2. You can have whatever content you want. So I have selected it here using CSS, and you can set the display to flex. And as I do that, you'll notice that they will become like columns. So I know they don't have width, but it's okay. Let's center the center. So justify content center. So I have used justify content center. So you see we have 4 divs and they are next to each other. So now let's add some height there for item 1. So height is optional because, you know, so for example, for item 1, you see I added some height, and you see they all become like the height of all of them becomes like that. But it's not a good idea to use height because, you know, the div will stretch its height based on whatever content you add. So let me grab some dummy text, or, you know, some text that doesn't make sense. So this is what we have right now. And now you see I have copied some dummy text or some text that doesn't make sense. And I'm going to place the text here for the first div. So you see I have it here. And because I have the height set, you see my div does not become, you know, it does not stretch. And you see the text overflows my div. So to avoid this is all we have to do is we have to get rid of the height here. So let me delete that height, and if I save it, you'll notice that it will cover the whole text. All right. So yeah, we have one column here, and we have our other divs here too. So you see we have 3 other columns. And now what we can do is we can, you know, of course we can change the width of our wrapper. But before I do that, I'll have to get rid of the width of the first item. You know, you can leave it there, but I'll just remove it from here. And I'm going to make the width of this one 100%. So you see it will become 100%. So from the left of my screen all the way to the right, you see it will be my divs. All right. So I'll share the code with you all. You know, you can play this. You can change the colors and do whatever you want to do with it. But this is how you basically place 4 divs next to each other using CSS. So I hope you like it, everyone.